Most people think earning coins on Cash Giraffe is the hard part. But here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of users get confused during the withdrawal process and accidentally delay their payouts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money from Cash Giraffe in 2026, step by step. You'll learn how cash outs work, how long payouts usually take, and the biggest mistakes that can slow down your rewards. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Cash Giraffe app and log into your account. Once you've earned enough coins through gaming offers, go to the rewards or payout section inside the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cash Giraffe may offer different withdrawal methods depending on your country and device. Common options usually include PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Google Play rewards, or other digital gift cards. Choose the payout option you want, and carefully check the minimum withdrawal requirement before redeeming. But here's the problem. Many users rush through this process without verifying their account information first. This is where most people fail. They enter the wrong PayPal email or forget to confirm their reward details, which can delay payouts or create account issues. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid withdrawal problems completely. After selecting your reward, confirm the redemption request inside the app. Depending on account activity and verification checks, Cash Giraffe may process payouts instantly or take some additional time. For example, Jake from Texas redeemed his first PayPal withdrawal successfully, but thought the payment failed because he didn't check the correct PayPal email connected to his account. Another important thing to understand is that first-time withdrawals sometimes take longer. Reward platforms often review new accounts for fraud prevention before approving initial payouts. Alex from California noticed his second and third withdrawals arrived much faster after his first successful redemption. Now here's where it gets even more important. You should always check your email inbox and spam folder after requesting payouts. Some gift card codes or payment confirmations may arrive there, instead of directly inside the app. Another smart strategy is redeeming smaller payouts first. That helps confirm your account setup works properly before trying larger withdrawals later. But remember this. Cash Giraffe actively monitors suspicious activity. Using VPNs, fake accounts, modified apps, or cheating software can lead to account restrictions or lost rewards. Another mistake users make is uninstalling games too early. Some offers require milestone completion tracking, and deleting games before rewards are credited can interrupt progress. Now here's something many beginners don't realize. Withdrawal speed can vary depending on demand, payment provider processing times, and account verification status. Some users receive rewards quickly, while others wait longer during busy periods. The most important thing is staying patient and following the platform rules carefully. So here's the bottom line. Withdrawing money from Cash Giraffe is simple if you verify your account details, choose the correct payout method, and avoid common mistakes during redemption. If you've already cashed out from Cash Giraffe, comment below with the fastest payout you've received so other viewers know what to expect. And if this guide helped you withdraw your rewards successfully, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more legit online earning tutorials and app reviews.